Hello everyone, and welcome to Havering Histories Romford. My name is Abigail, and I'm an actor and storyteller, and I need your help to tell the story of this town. We're going to make a big timeline to decorate, we're going to act out the scenes from Romford's history, and we're going to film them to make videos. If you're 16 and over, have a learning disability, and are local to the area, then you're perfect. You don't need any previous experience, just a desire to meet new people, have some fun, and exercise those creative muscles. It's completely free to join in, so please get in touch if you'd like to have more information, or send this video to someone you think would be perfect for the project. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye!